Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all a very easy, no fermentation needed and no soaking overnight breakfast, snack and dinner recipe, Ravva Dosa. The ingredients you need for Ravva Dosa are maida, all-purpose flour half a cup, rice flour 1 cup, semolina or sooji 1/4 cup, yogurt, curd half a cup, and a big bowl to mix these ingredients together. As we are a family of 3, I used 1 cup measurements here. If you have a big family or if you need this batter for 2 to 3 days, then double the recipe. Place all the ingredients in the bowl and add required water. And with the help of a whisk all the ingredients and make sure there are no lumps. This dosa batter is very easy to prepare and it doesn't need any soaking time and any fermentation time. You can prepare the batter in just 30 minutes. And as shown in the video, the consistency should be runny. And now add salt and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And now cover it with a lid and keep it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you have time, then make it to 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, heat a dosa tawa on medium to high heat. Before you start making your first dosa, make sure the tawa is really hot. And you can also add onions and green chilies if you like it a bit spicy. I didn't add because this was dinner for my 2-year-old, so I avoided adding them. And now pour the batter onto the tawa as shown in the video. And without any too much hassle, your breakfast or dinner is ready. Serve it hot with your favorite chutney. Thank you all for watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe.